Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will learn deployment of any application using PM2. But guys, do like, share and subscribe the channel to keep me motivated to create the new videos. So guys, let's start the deployment of the application. So let's first get into our EC2 machine. Basically we will be using EC2 machine Ubuntu server for deployment of Node.js application using PM2. Let's get to the terminal. Now we are into our Ubuntu server and let's start the deployment. First we need the application. Let's get into the GitHub, and this is a sample demo application I have created for this deployment, and basically it contains only one get route. Let's first clone the application over the server. As you can see, we have successfully cloned the application. Now let's get into the folder. First we will install the npm packages using npm install. Now we have successfully installed the npm packages. Next we need to install the PM2 package. We will install this package globally. Now you can see PM2 is successfully installed, and we are into the application folder. Now we will start this project with the help of PM2. ID 1, index, name index, status online. So application is currently running. Now let's check if this application is currently running or not. Hello from user. So application is running currently. So now let's stop this application. PM2 stop and the ID of the application 1. Now you can see application is stopped. Let's check this out. Application is not working anymore. Now let's start the application again. We are restarting the application again. Application is restarted. Let's check this out. Application is running again. So this is the IP address of the EC2 machine I am using for the deployment purpose. Now let's check out how many applications are running currently. Sudo PM2 ls. ls is the shortcut of the list. You can see if any of the if you want to check the logs, you can check the logs as well. And the ID of the index. So these are the logs. You can check the logs as well. If anything goes wrong, or if you want to add some logs, you can check here. So these are the basic commands of running your application via PM2. So there are few benefits of running your application via PM2. One of the benefit is, like, if your application is crashing, then PM2 will restart your application again and again. And the another benefit of using PM2 is to use the total number of cores available on your machine. What does this mean? So basically your application is currently one instance of your application is running right now. So as you know, Node.js use uses only one core of your machine. If there are more than one core available on your CPU, you can utilize all the available logical cores on your CPU. How? You can start your application like this. First we need to stop the application. Now we can start the application in some other different way. Using this command -i max, PM2 will automatically take the logical cores available on your CPU and create total number of instances. As you can see, PM2 started 2 instances right now. So PM2 help us to take the benefit of the logical cores available on your CPU, as running application this way is also known as taking the benefit of the cluster module available in Node.js. This is the best way to run any application on the production environment to divide the load on the instances available on your CPU. Guys, for this video purpose, I have used an instance of EC2 machine of Ubuntu server using AWS. So here's my instance. You can see EC2 dashboard and instances running 1. This is my instance for the demo purpose. This instance is running. After this video, I will terminate this instance. So there are some free tiers available for the study purpose. For the demo purpose, you can use the same. Thank you. That's all, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe.